Have you ever wondered how to prepare rice? Worry no more. Today in our video, your chef Prince is going to show you how to prepare rice. And the ingredient he has today is beans, rice, cabbage, tomatoes, onions, and garlic. And of course the cooking fat and salt. Welcome to my channel. This is Salome Maina TV and I'm your host Salome Maina. Follow everything keenly till to the end. And if you are new here in this channel, if it is your first time to come across my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and leave for me a comment. There are different ways of preparing rice, but today Prince is going to show you one of the methods of preparing rice. Follow the steps keenly. At that point, Prince will put water and leave it to cook for at least 20 minutes. Look at that. This is the end product. And now, the food was so delicious. Of course, I always taste it to confirm. And of course, you can try it at home and give us your feedback. Thank you for watching my channel once again. This is Salome Maina TV and my name is Salome Maina. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please show me love. This is year 2023. I'll be very happy to bring you more and more videos. Until next time, God bless you.